Hey guys, this is a product review of this Auxbeam 8-band switch panel that I will be installing in my Jeep Wrangler. Right now I'm going to go through a couple of the things that are featured in the box, including all the sticker options, the switch panel, the brain, and mounting hardware. Overall, installation was super easy and painless. As long as you have a good spot to mount this switch panel, you will be totally fine. The first thing I love about this product is the sticker options. I love that the stickers allow you to customize the switch panel to your custom rig. Overall, this product was super easy to install and is super user friendly. I'm so happy I went with the Auxbeam switch panel. I give this product a 2 thumbs up.